Hey everybody, it's Hailey, and this morning I had a chocolate chip cookie craving. But you don't always have a lot of time to make cookies, so today I'm going to make a small batch of cookies, and hopefully they'll be the easiest cookies I've ever made. So first you have a 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'm gonna try to make this all in one bowl, which is not normal for cookies, but we'll do it. Less dishes. And then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. By the way, right now I'm measuring by grams. And then you're just gonna mix all that together. Normally I would use a whisk for this, but we're trying to make less dishes. But you can use a whisk if you want. And then I'm gonna add 1 egg yolk, so it's just the yellow part, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm gonna add 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon of flour, or that's 70 grams. Whoop. And before you mix in your flour, also add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and kind of stir it around with the flour. There's no salt in this cookie recipe because I'm using salted butter and you don't really need that much salt. And then we're going to add chocolate chips. And you can use 1/2 cup, or you can just use whatever amount you feel like. Just sprinkle chocolate chips into your heart's desire. Once your dough is all done, cover it with plastic wrap and stick it in the freezer for 10 minutes. All right, my cookie dough's been chilling for about 10 minutes, and now we're gonna scoop them out into balls and bake them. All right, I got 9 little cookies from this, and you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake these for about 10 minutes. All right, the cookies are done, and now I'm going to try one. I may have slightly overbaked them.
They're still yummy.
Yeah. Oh, really? That's good. My mom tried them. Because I baked them in the mini oven instead of in our normal oven, so it doesn't bake the same. So maybe like bake your cookies for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay. Mmm. Mm. 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 Even though they're overbaked, they still taste really good because they like caramelize on the bottom, and it's like
Trying to still overbaked.
No, I'm serious. It tastes like toffee. I love these. Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. Let me know if you would rather have your cookies be a little underbaked or a little overbaked. Personally, I think underbaked, but these surprised me. They're really good and super easy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.